Hey, welcome and welcome back to The Broken Budget. So if this is your first time here on my channel, we are focusing on fixing my broken budget so I can live the life I deserve. If you are a returning viewer, thank you so much. Like, y'all are so supportive. I just feel so much love from this community already. Thank you. And if you are a subscriber, you have a special place in my heart. Like, you mean so much to me. So before I start rambling, this is an unstuffing video and I'm excited about it. Okay, so we are going to start with my bills binder. Okay, so if you saw my last video, my cash stuffing, then you know we didn't really stuff the rent completely. I think we may have put like $43 in here. So we're just going to take, let's just take 700 out. That sounds about right because I already had 6 in there. So we're just gonna take 700 out. If it's not right, I have a buffer in the bank. I'll figure it all out. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 620, 640, 660, 680, 690, 700, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So what I'm actually going to do is this 14, I'm just gonna put up here for right now because I might do something extra with that. And then this 700, we will put into the bank. Let's move you out of the way for right now. Okay, there should only be $84 in here. We're taking out 84. I gotta figure out like how to do this and like show everything. So 20, that feels like more than one bill, but 40, 60, 80, and 4. Internet should be 100, 50, 60, because y'all know I struggle with math. 80, 100, this extra dollar we'll put up here. And like I said, I'm not doing any savings challenges. Budgeting is enough of a challenge for me right now. Phone bill gets 50. And I have 20, 40, 50. Subscriptions was supposed to be 120, but like I said, I've already put some of that into the bank. And 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. I'm actually gonna save one of these 10s. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, Klarna, I actually got a little money in here. I'm so excited. So what I'm going to do with this $30 is actually make a payment as soon as I deposit this money. So that's one less Klarna payment I have to make this month. And so hopefully that amount will go down from this 183 that it was this paycheck. Y'all know I'm struggling with that, and that is what I'm trying to get rid of. Let's move on to my credit cards binder. So this is actually going to be fun. Upgrade. I'm supposed to have $165, right? Well, they gave me a $100 credit for paying my bill on time for 3 months. And y'all, like, I'm so excited about that because, listen, I don't know what I should do. You know, I'm doing a debt avalanche and I want to put whatever I have in here towards it. But I kind of want to use that $100 and put it into my savings and emergency fund just because I really need to start building these sinking funds. So, you know, I'm definitely going to make the $65 payment, but I feel like it was a blessing that they gave me the $100 credit, and I'm going to use that towards like savings or car maintenance or something. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. I don't know. Comment down below and let me know what you think. Y'all see how tight my budget is. And so I'm asking for your honest opinion. Should I go ahead and put this entire $165 towards my debt, or, you know, just add $65 and it's still going to be $165? So I have 50, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 65. So I'm just going to put 65 here, just in case y'all agree with me and say that I should put it into one of my sinking funds. And I'm just gonna put that money up there too. Oh, y'all are gonna be so over me. Okay, Mission Lane, supposed to get 38. And I have 20, 35, 36, 37, 38. If I am yelling at y'all, I am so sorry. I don't know, I'm really excited about this today. All right, credit one is going to get 72, 20, 40, 60, 72. And if you guys are wondering like why I decided to do like cash stuffing envelopes for my budgeting, it's because I really have a problem. Like, if this money sits in my account, my bills will get paid, but it won't be productive. Like, I'll just end up swiping my card for something else. So credit two is supposed to get 104. And so 20, 40, 60, 80, 104. So I know this way, with me taking all of the money out of my account, is just going to work better for me and my budgeting until I'm disciplined, because I just am not financially disciplined. And that's the whole point of me budgeting and the whole point of this channel. PayPal gets 100, 20, 40, 60, wait a minute, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100. And so I'm really just doing what's best for me. As redundant as it seems to take the money out and put it back in the bank, not for me. It's teaching me discipline already 1 month in. Ulta gets 38. Oh man, down 10, 20, 35, 38. My lap caught it. Sephora, we're paying 42. Y'all, I just stuffed this money in here any kind of way. I was so anxious with that cash stuffing. 20, 30, 40, 142. Capital One gets 46, 20, 45, 6. And Bank of America gets 36. Well, the bill is 36. 20, 35, 36. All right, so now that all of those are unstuffed, let's, oh, sorry. So if anything looks different or things have shifted, I apologize, but like I just had a whole man down situation. Phone failed, lighting failed, everything, but it's okay, I'm back. So let's see how much money I actually had in rollover, which I probably should have left in the envelope, but I'm not. So wait a minute. Oh yeah, okay, 50, 60. Oh, it doesn't matter. Okay, so we've got 50, 70, 90, 100, 110, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We have $115 right here. And I want to at least put something into my savings account. Like I wanna get this up to $100. So it already has 13. So we're just gonna take this out and just put 100 in there. Because you know, I'm moving soon. 20, 50, 70, 90, 100. And so I have a savings goal in mind before my move, but we'll talk about that in my next video. And so this leftover money, I'm going to put into my emergency fund, just in case. I kind of want to put it to debt, but we're going to put it in emergency. Because I have no emergency money right now. And you know, Dave Ramsey says you should have at least $1,000, and I just completely skipped that part. So all that is accounted for. Do y'all want to know how much I'm actually about to deposit into the bank? Why not? Where's my calculator? Calculadora. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, I don't have to put it back. 150. I cannot believe I just cleared that. Okay, 650 plus. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. I don't always count this slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 20, 40. I'll probably recount that later, but not right now. 640. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Wait, what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 200, 220. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. All right, so we are going to deposit $15.65 into my account to pay my bills for January, well, February. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Like I said in the beginning, I'm so thankful for each and every one of you, for your comments, your likes, your time. Like, thank you for sharing that with me. If you haven't subscribed, please, go ahead. It helps me out in the long run, and I will see you guys later.